So hello friend, today we are going to discuss our new topic, authorities versus responsibilities. What is the basic difference between authorities and responsibilities? So authority is related with top level management and responsibility is related with middle level management and lower level management basic mostly. And yes, this is also related with top level management, but I am telling you the hierarchical structure and we will discuss this thing in the video. Means if you look toward the pyramid, here is top level management, here is middle level management, here is lower level management. So authorities, most of the authorities is related with top level management. If you go downwards, then the authority will decrease. Means they are most authorized. Yes, they have some authorities and they don't have some authorities at all. And if we look toward the responsibilities, this is authority. And if we look toward the responsibilities, so they do many type of responsibilities. They have many type of responsibilities, many type of work. Middle level, yes, they also have some responsibilities, and top level management also have some responsibilities, but they have fewer responsibilities. Okay, so this thing we are going to discuss in this video. Let's start it. Meaning authority refers to the power of right. Okay, this is authority, power to right. Okay, तो जो भी बॉस है, जो भी टॉप लेवल पे बैठा हुआ है, जो हमारा बॉस है, वो क्या है, उसके पास पावर होते हैं, राइट होता है, ये रूल्स बनाते हैं. ओके, a particular for a jobs and designation to give orders, enforce rules and make decision exact compliance. तो मीन्स यहाँ पे अथॉरिटीज की क्या बात हो रही है. जो अथॉरिटीज होते हैं टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट होते हैं, दे हैव पावर, राइट्स एंड designation in the company to make rules and make decisions, make rules and make decision. ये होती हैं authorities. What is responsibilities? Responsibility denotes the duty and obligation. Means they have decided what to do and they just execute that task, accomplished a task. Okay, and assigned by the seniors or established one's own commitment and circumstances. तो यहाँ पे जो भी कमिटमेंट दी जा रही है, जो भी टास्क दिए जा रहे हैं, उनको काम करवाना किसका काम होगा? यहाँ पे लोअर लेवल और मिडिल लेवल मैनेजमेंट का होगा. यही चीज आती है रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज में. What is it? Legal right to issue order. Okay, authorities have the right to issue order because they are top level management. If they are not issuing order, that how the company will run. They are the one who decides that what is the vision of the company and how that vision should be achieved, and they will they will break down that vision into small tasks and give these responsibilities to middle level and lower level management. That is the main motive of the middle level and lower level management, to perform the task so the authority will be happy and the company will happily run and achieve their task. Corollary of authorities. Corollary of authorities mean whatever the authority is saying, just perform that task. Result from formal position in an organization. They are more superior, they are more formal in the organization. Yes, they are superior and subordinate relationship. Okay, superior and subordinate relationship. Here these are superior and these are their subordinate. Okay, the question is why top level management have some responsibilities, or what is the responsibilities of top level management? Yes, top level management have also some responsibility towards. First is government, second is their customer, and third is society. So these are some person to whom the top level management is answerable to, and they have the authorities. They don't break any government rule, they just satisfy the needs of the customer, and they don't do anything which is harmful for the society. That's why responsibility is also considered as some of the points in top level management. So task, next point is task of manager. Here is delegation of authorities, that whatever authority is saying, delegate that performance or delegate that work to the next level. And assumptions of the responsibilities, assumptions of the responsibilities, that what is should be the assuming of the responsibilities, that what should be done. तो यहाँ पे मैनेजर का काम क्या होता है? अथॉरिटीज में मैनेजमेंट का काम होता है अथॉरिटीज को डेलीगेट करना है, अथॉरिटीज को ये बताना कि कंपनी अभी कैसा कर रही है और आगे चल के कंपनी के क्या क्या रूल्स उनको बनाने हैं. वहीं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज में क्या होता है? अजम्पशंस ऑफ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, ये बताना मैनेजर का काम होता है कि इसमें क्या क्या आपको करना है. ठीक है, ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपको कैसे फुलफिल करनी है. तो दिस इज द बेसिक टास्क ऑफ द मैनेजर. Requires ability to give orders. Okay, if you don't have ability to give order, then you are not an authorized person, you are not comes under the authority, because main motive of the authority is to give order. They are not the one who is doing work, they are basically the one who is making the blueprint of the company and just looking the vision of the company and give orders to their team. Ability to follow order. If you don't be a order giving type of person, then you should come here, and middle level or lower level, then you have to follow the orders. Okay, so जो authorities होती हैं उनका काम होता है orders देना, और वहीं responsibilities जिसके पास होती हैं उसका काम होता है orders को perform करना. So downwards and upward, this points I already discussed. Then authorities runs under from top level management to down lower level management, so the work is downwards. ठीक है, ये downward चलती है, जितना ऊपर आप होगे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में उतनी ज़्यादा आपके पास अथॉरिटी होगी. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज चलती है कैसे, अपवर्ड, जितना आप नीचे रहोगे उतनी ज़्यादा आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज दी जाएंगी. ठीक है, तो आई होप आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. जैसे बॉस जो होता है उसकी क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का ध्यान रखना, अपने कस्टमर्स का ध्यान रखना, गवर्नमेंट का ध्यान रखना, बस. लेकिन वही जो उसका एम्प्लॉय है उसको तो सारी चीज़ें ध्यान रखनी है. ठीक है, जो बॉस की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है वो तो उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है ही, लेकिन उसकी खुद की भी कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है कंपनीज में जो बॉस उसे दे रहा है. जो एम्प्लॉयज़ होते हैं वो बॉस को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं दे सकते अपनी, लेकिन जो बॉस होता है, जो अथॉरिटीज़ होती है, वो अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज इसको दे देते हैं, अपने से जूनियर्स को दे देते हैं, जिस वजह से उनका काम बढ़ जाता है. तो ये हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में होता है. तो आप समझ रहे होंगे फ्लो कैसे चल रहा है. ऑब्जेक्टिव टू मेक द डिसीजन इम्प्लीमेंटेड. ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होते हैं, डिसीजन को बनाना और उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करना. दीज आर द बेसिक ऑब्जेक्टिव, एंड द रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन फॉर दिस ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू एग्जीक्यूट द ड्यूटीज एंड असाइन बाय द सुपीरियर. तो जो भी सुपीरियर इनको ड्यूटीज देता है वो उसको एग्जीक्यूट करना, उसको असाइन करना. ठीक है, ड्यूरेशन कंटिन्यूस फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, बहुत लंबे समय तक इसका ड्यूरेशन चलता है. एंड एज सून एज द टास्क कंप्लीट, और जैसे ही टास्क कंप्लीट हो जाता है वैसे ही ये इसका ड्यूरेशन खत्म हो जाता है रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का. सो ड्यूरेशन लॉन्ग क्यों होता है अथॉरिटीज़ में, ये भी एक बात है कि अथॉरिटीज ऑलवेज लुक फॉर द फ्यूचर, दैट व्हाट कंपनीज वांट टू अचीव इन 1 years or 2 years. So this is a long duration process, and responsibilities are given by the management for short term of period, like 1 week target or monthly target or day-to-day target. So these are very short time of work, and but the work of the authority is considered for a long time. I hope that you understand the difference between authorities and responsibility. If you have any doubt, you can write down in comment section. I try my best to get you through this topic and make a quick revision of yourself. So I hope that you understand this topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.